something which we have already launched, but we are also expanding on, are these sentiment combos. So we have these sentiment combos where in one pack you get 8 sheets. Okay. So this is a black and white one where you get one black, the corresponding sentiment in white. So this goes on till 4 designs. So you have 1, 2, 3, and then we have 4. Okay. So we have 4 sheets of A5 in black quotes with white words, and we have 4 sheets of A5 with white background and black handwriting or black quotes. Okay, so depending on your project, you can use a black or a white. So these are our journal sentiments. And again, the logic remains same. We have many combinations in these. So these journaling sentiments are for those people who like to use, so these has a combination of like quirky, then it has some funny ones in it, and then it also has some motivational in it. But primarily we were wanting to do something which is not motivational because we already have a separate motivational quotes. So for example, if I tell you one of the sentiment here which says kissed by the sunlight and bitten by the moon. So this is not a motivational quote. However, this would go beautifully on a fantasy themed page, or on a very feminine page, or a fantasy or a magical themed kind of a project, etc. Then here we have a soft spirit in hard world. Only fake flowers are flawless. So these are some of the quotes just to give you an idea of what the collection caters to. As always, all the products that we are talking about, we will be linking them below for you all. In case you want to search these products, etc., you can directly search with CrafTangles and the name, and you will find them when you search on Google. You'll find them on our website, Amazon, etc. And then you can check out the pictures where you'll be able to see the quotes in detail, what are the quotes present in the combo, and then depending on your projects or your inclination, you can buy the combination that suits your need. So this is one such combination. Okay, then we have another one which we did on a huge demand. This is called as Hindi sentiments. So these again follow the same logic. So you have 4 black and 4 white. Okay. So you get 4 sheets each. So in all 8 sheets. And again, with Hindi sentiments, what we have done is we have made very snarky English sentiments, which are perfect for today's generation. And also we have done some deep Hindi quotes, which also go well if you are doing deep journaling, etc., and you want to put something which is in your mind. So, for example, just to give you a couple of, just to give you an idea of what the sentiments are all about. So, a funny one is "Chalo chalo, overthinking ka time ho gaya hai." And a serious one is "जिंदगी में एक बात तो तय है कि कुछ भी तय नहीं है." So, depending on your mood, we have given you enough quotes from which you can select. So, this is our Hindi journal sentiments, which is our second collection. Then we have the first collection which we had launched, the very first sentiment collection, and this was mostly motivational. So that is why I said, our journaling certain sentiments are more quirky, combination of sarcastic, etc. And this is very much only motivational because we all need a pick me up every end of the day. So these are our chit chat sentiments. Again, they follow the same combination. So you get 4 sheets of black, and then you get 4 sheets of white. Again, all these guys are pre-cut. I assumed that since the name suggests, these are all pre-cut, so if you can see, they are already cut for you. All you have to do is just remove and use them. Okay, so these all come pre-cut. So this is our chit chat sentiments. Then we have colored chit chat sentiments. So these are same as these chit chat sentiments. However, these are combination of different colors. So in case you are into colored journaling, then these make perfect sense for you. So how we have done this is you get one bright color and then you get one light color. So this is pink shades. Then the second sheet, which is sentiment 2, right? The different sheets that you have. So this goes in blue color. So this is light blue and bright blue. Then this is more of a tealish aquamarine color. So this is light shade and this is bright shade. And then we have purple. So this is the darker shade and this is the lighter shade. So we have done like a combination of pastels and bright shades. So depending on, your project, you can select. And we kind of went with very peppy colors because we wanted to differentiate it from the black and whites that we normally do. So this is our colored combination of chit chat. And finally, what we are launching today are these foil chit chat sentiments. Now, what do I mean by foil chit chat sentiments is these are gold and silver. Okay, so if you see, do you see the shine? That is because these have gold and silver writing on top of it. The background will remain white. Every sheet, so every sentiment, you will get one in gold and one in silver. So again, the same logic. So you get 8 sheets. One is white with silver and one is white with gold. Again, these are pre-cut for you. So all you have to do is peel and use them. So these are our new launch, which are foiled chit chat sentiments. And as you can see, in all our combinations, we give you 8 sheets, which I think contains almost like 500 or 500 plus quotes, depending on, which design you select. So we have foil chit chat, we have colored chit chat, and then we have black and white chit chat, classic, funky, and more of gold silver for those of you who are interested in a little bit of glitter and glam. And then we have one of our favorites, which is our Hindi sentiments. So those are called Hindi journal sentiments. And then we have regular journal sentiments, which is again a combination of very quirky and magical quotes, etc. So these are all our 5 sentiment combination pre-cut stickers that we sell at CrafTangles. I hope you enjoy them and I hope they make your journaling life fun and more simple. So now that I have shown you the pre-cut stickers, right, let me take you through some of very fun projects that you can make with them. So here I wanted to just share some of them with you using our latest pre-cut stickers. So here is one such one where I have used pre-cut stickers. So both of these are made using vintage ephemera. So the background I have made using the pre-cut stickers, and then also the main character of men and female are from those stickers. And then I have used these from our 4 by 6 centimeter collection, and this is from our pre-cut newly launched chit chat foil stickers. So you can see it has gold foiling on top of it, right? And then these are our undated 365 days calendar stickers that I have used over here. Then another such page is using this, which is our men from part of our Fashion People collection. And these are our newly launched dot stickers. These are our chit chat stickers. And then this is our calendar sticker. This sentiment is also from this Fashion People collection. So the same one, as I said, we have added quotes in some of them along with characters. So in case if you don't have such kind of quotes, you could definitely, just use these quote and make a page. This one is from our Girl Boss collection and it has various elements that I have used in the background. I have done some stamping and then I have used this, which is our chit chat sentiment. And then this sticker or sentiment is from the same Girl Boss collection. And this is our calendar stickers. So this is again a girl from our Girl Boss collection. This is our foil stickers and then this is also from the Girl Boss. right? So a lot of stickers being used here. This is again the Girl Boss collection, and then these are dot stickers that I have used. Again, this sentiment is from Girl Boss, and these are from our colored chit chat collection. So most of this is stickers except some background stamping that I have done, and this, everything else is stickers. Then this is one of our other product, which is called transfers, which I have combined with stickers from the Traveler collection. And then these are our journal sentiment stickers, which had some really cool travel quotes that I felt really went well with the girl. And then this is our calendar stickers. This is again another girl sticker that I have used along with our newly launched foiled. So this is actually gold sentiment. So if I'll do you see the shine on the sentiment? That is because it is gold. So that is why, camera is, whenever camera puts light on it, it is shiny. And then this are our dot stickers. This is another product of ours, which is called transfers. Now, guys, at any point of time, if you want to see this tutorials, they will be available on our social media channels. Again, our foil stickers. This is our Girl Boss stickers. This is our calendar sticker. This is our traveler stickers, our chit chat sentiment and calendar sticker. This is our girl sticker. And then we have this, which is our Hindi quotes. So these are our Hindi sentiment stickers. And then this is again our calendar stickers. This is the Traveler collection, Traveler Girl. And these are our journey chit chat sentiment. Now this is a page only made using stickers. Only background I have done some stamping using one of our stamps. Rest everything is stickers. So this is our stickers, which are our undated calendar stickers, and this complete is from one collection, which is calendar stickers. And then this is our journal pre-cut stickers. So these are our journal sentiment stickers. Now, at any point of time, if you are curious, you can check out the name of this corresponding stickers from the video, and then you can Google them and you will find these products on website. Now, as I said, I was very excited to see the men stickers in our CrafTangles category. So here I have used him along with one of our chit chat sentiment sticker. And then this is our date stickers, and these are some of our other vintage stickers. Here is another girl that I have used from the stickers. And then I have used some foil stickers. Here is our journal sentiment stickers. So yeah, these are some of the inspirations that I really wanted to show you. And all these pages took me less than 10 minutes to make because all our stickers are ready to just peel and use, right? So for example, if I show you, this is one of the foiled stickers, right? So all you have to do is simply peel and remove and use, right? All I have done is simply peel and use. Here is another such sticker which I showed you in the start, right? This character. So all you have to do is simply peel and use, right? Nothing else. I hope these journaling gave you a lot of ideas on how you can use our stickers, etc. And in case you are looking for some inspiration, you can always check out our social media where we post journaling tutorials almost every day so that you can use our products easily. And thank you so much for checking out our today's video.